When your yard is flooded and you have standing water on the surface and you can measure it in inches, you might want to consider putting in some catch basins. When you put in a French drain system, that's going to tighten up the yard. That's going to dry out the subsurface soil. But how are you going to take care of all that water at the surface? Sure, a French drain, it can do it. We build them all the time. If we do an open French drain across the whole backyard, that will take in all the bulk water. Now, if you have pets and children and you want to have a nice turf grass, you're going to have to put in yard drains. When you put in a French drain, yard drain combination, you grab up all that bulk water and then you tighten up the subsurface soil. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. If you have any questions regarding this installation, leave them in the comments section. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until the next video.